cop your 26 King Wavy merch, link is down in the description below. Click the link, it's going to take you over to the website. Use discount code 360juice26 to get 26% off your brushes and do-rags. And for your hair care products, use discount code 360juice2020 to get 10% off. Stay wavy, Juice Mafia. God bless.
I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none.
What's up, everybody? 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys. And today I'm going to show you guys how to isolate your crown. And we are starting right now.
They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Alright, you guys, for this method you will need two products and two products only. No need to moisturize your hair. If you've already moisturized it the day before, you can do this without adding any products to your hair. But the first product that you definitely need, if you do not have it, I have my link down in the description below. Go get it, you will need it. First product you will need is this small crown brush. You can get this crown brush at 360merch.org and use my discount code 360juice to get 10% off. Next brush that you will need is a soft brush. This is a super extra soft brush and you definitely need it for your crown isolations. You get this soft brush at 26kingwavymerch.com. Use my discount code 360juice26 to get 26% off. So without further ado, let's get started.